This tutorial will guide you through creating a story map in ArcGIS Online. There are various ways to create a story map in ArcGIS Online. So this is one of the ways by creating from a CSV file. First, you need to download the template from the link in the description below, or go to the URL. After you downloaded the template, prepare the template by gathering the resources, the images and the videos, and upload them to a repository beforehand. You also need to have the location of the place in longitude and latitude. Let's look at how the CSV file looks like. This is the CSV file. Right, you have the name, description, icon color. This is where the color of the pin will be. The picture URL, the thumbnail URL, whether this entry is a video or not. This is the this is the longitude, and this is the latitude. Right, so you key in your entry for your descriptions, okay, accordingly. Right, once this is done, you save it as the CSV extension. Note that the extension must remain in CSV or you won't work. Once you're ready, you can log into Storymap. Go to this URL here. Once you're logged in, you have several options. This is a free account, right? So there's several options for you to log in. So we'll go to the website. So here it is. This is the URL. So you can click sign in. Right, there are various options. Okay, you can sign in through your enterprise account if you have one, or you can link it with your Facebook or your G+ account. For me, I will sign in using my created account. After you have signed in, you are ready to upload the CSV file to your story map. We go back to the web again. Start by going to My Stories. And if this is your first time logging in, you have no stories here, so you'll be prompted to create your first story. Otherwise, you can create a story by clicking on the icon Create Story. Once you've done that, you have options of 6 different applications to create your story. Choose the map tour, as the map tour is the only one at the moment where you can allows you to upload CSV file by uploading a CSV file to create a story. You will launch in a new tab. Alright. Right. From here, choose Advanced option. Import tour data from a CSV file. And this is where you select your CSV file. So I've selected mine. And once the system identifies your entries, okay, you have a preview, and once it's okay, click import. So your first CSV file, so your first story map is done. Alright. So before you proceed further, you may want to check your entries, see whether they are accurate. If you are in order, you need to create the title. So this is my title. Once you've created a title, you can save the story map. Once the story map is saved, you can go to My Stories to check for your stories for error. But we have to look at other settings. So on the right here, you can change your base map. If you want to look at the satellite base map, you can change to imagery. If you prefer, you can look at the OpenStreetMap. Click on settings to look for other layouts. For example, you can change the difference layout, okay, colors, theme, edit the header, alright, or the zoom level. Alright, so now it's set at none. You may want to zoom in at the city level, so you can go to level 15 and click apply. Right. The changes will be seen once you save your story map and preview it in your My Stories. Now we'll go back to My Stories, our dashboard. Your story map has been updated. Click on My Trip. Click title, click on preview to have a look at your story map. So as you move pen your pictures, the map moves to the location where you have updated in the CSV file. You can switch to builder mode from this screen to edit your entries. So here to edit this entry, click on the pencil and click save to save your map. Once you have completed the story map, you can click on the share button to share your map publicly. And you can share this URL, okay, with people who want to read your story maps. After you're comfortable with this app, do have a go at other apps as well. And you have other ideas on how to do story maps in your lesson, do get in touch.